Being rich is a state of mind. Everybody has his own definition of being rich. You have to set your own financial goals. You have to set your own expectation on your own terms. To some people, it might be to have a peace of mind. To some people, it might be to have a fancy luxury cars. And to some, it might be to have a luxury homes. And to some people, it might be to have a decent home and retire very, very well. It depends on your own terms. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If your goal this 2024 is to achieve your financial goals, guys, you are in the right video, because in today's video I am going to be sharing how you can achieve your financial goal this year, living a successful life, building wealth, and creating life. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. Now, guys, please help me get to 1,000. Now, let's go about being rich. Everyone, just like I said, have that mentality of being rich. Depends. For me, being rich is not to lack money. Whether I have fancy cars, luxury cars, and I am able, to travel around the world, is still part of it. But at least you are having money and you have a peace of mind as well. Because some people might have money, but they don't actually have a peace of mind. So now let's go, guys. Number one thing that you must surely do if you actually want to accumulate wealth, to create wealth, because creating wealth is not that easy, but it's simple to some people. You understand? And to some people, they are lucky. Some people, they are smart. It depends on how you do your things. But right now, let's dive into this video. Number one thing that you must actually do if you want to accumulate wealth and be rich this year is to plan. Create a plan, take action, follow it. A lot of people today, they have plans, they have goals to achieve their financial, goals. They have expectations, but they are not doing anything to be able to, get those things done. So if you have things that you want to achieve, you must follow through. You must take those steps. You must take actions. Just like we said, some people have written their New Year resolutions. But what are you going to be doing after writing those things? You need to take actions. You need to make those things happen so that you can have financial benefits after taking action. And that is the number one thing that you have to do. You have to create a plan, follow it, and take action. The next one, number two, is invest in your time. A lot of people don't actually know that investing in their own time is actually going to help them to make money or become rich. So they say that time is money. What are you using your own time to do? So you have to invest in your own time to be able to achieve your financial goals. Some people use their time to play games. Some people use it to watch football. Some people use their time to watch many things on the internet. And while you watch those people on the internet, they are using that to make their own money. So invest on your own time. This is your own time to be able to make money. And the next thing I have to tell you right now is to invest. A lot of people have been able to have opportunity to make money. So by the time you have the opportunity to make money, accumulate well, you need to invest those money. Make investments. You might invest your money in bonds. You might invest your money in stocks. You can also invest your money in buying a home or doing a real estate business. Some people also buy property and sell them. This is some of the ways that people can accumulate wealth. If you are looking for a way, to accumulate wealth and make money, the best way is to invest. If you don't know how to go about this, you can also find a financial advisor and consult and tell the person what you actually need, because some people don't actually know what to do with money. So if you're one of those people that don't know what to do with their money, find a financial advisor to be able to help you. Yes, investment is the key for you to have a long financial benefits. It can take you very, very far. They have short ones, they have long ones. Decide on the type that you actually want to go into. And that leads me to starting a business. You want to be rich in 2024. If you check all the successful people, check out the rich people, they are all entrepreneurs. They have a business that they are doing. So, and business involves taking a risk. So even if you don't have that mind, but have the mind of taking a risk that this business might not work out, but due to persistence, they are persistent, they are creative, they are flexible, and they are persistent, and that is why their business has to stand up to today. So if you're not able and not ready to take risks, business is not for you, because definitely there must be risk for you to start your business. And some people also have to start their business after doing it some time, building it to a certain time, grow the business. They can also sell it. These are ways that people are doing things that can actually make money for them and accumulate wealth for them. If you're looking for to have a financial benefits, this is one of the things. Start your own business, build that business, focus on that business. Definitely you are going to make it. And the next one is to improve on your career and your journey. If you have a career and you don't like that career, you can change your career. Your career journey, it doesn't matter to anybody. So many people don't actually care. This is all about you. You have expectations. So you can actually change your career. You can also change your business. If you have a job and this job is not actually paying you well, there are good jobs. There are other businesses like jobs like careers like medical careers, engineering careers, and IT, going venturing into these businesses or kind of jobs. It can increase your money, they can boost your income. So you can as well choose some of these careers, or you choose to learn a high skilled paying jobs like coding, like sales, like trading, and like copywriting. All these kind of jobs can make you money. You understand? You can look for another job. If that your particular job is not paying you money, you can divert, you can deviate. It doesn't still matter, because it's all about you. You have an expectations and you have to meet those expectations. If your job is not paying you, you can move. There are other careers that have prospects. So look for those ones, the medical, and caregiver. Medicine, there is money in those industries. Oil and gas, there is money in that. You can also forward your energy to that location. Thing that you need to do is to cut your spending and save more money. If you want to become rich this 2024 and always, you need to cut your spending and save more money. A lot of people actually spend more money than they earn. If you want to be rich, you don't need to spend more money than you earn. So these are things that you need to put in considerations. You need to cut some spendings and save more money. The bank should be your friend. You have to have different types of accounts so that you can be able to save more money. One account should be for savings and the other one should be for you to be, using your money. One account should be for your savings and the other one for emergency. And the other one should be for your good time or for your paying your bills. One that you can always be using. So try and learn how to save money if you actually want to accumulate wealth. And this leads me to the next number, which is you need to take calculated risk. If you actually want to accumulate wealth and make money and become rich, you should be able to take risk, because taking risk is one of the things that the rich people, successful people have been doing so that they can be able to have money and become what they are today. And sometimes they bring businesses to you and you're like, no, I don't want this. I can't take it. How do I, you have to be patient. You have to take those kind of risks. The risk that that definitely at the end of the day, something is going to come out of it. So make sure that all the risk you are going to take is going to be a calculated one. And the next thing you have to do is to get more educational qualification. If you need more educational qualification, you can go for it and experience. Some of these things can actually help you to improve and boost your income. in your goals to be able to make money. So if you need to go back to school, you understand, get a degree or get a PhD or get any type, whether it's masters or anything, all these skills can actually help you to boost your income. These are the things that people are doing right now to be able to make money, because this can help you to get a good job. It can help you to get a good paying jobs, you understand? So if you need to get those educational background, don't be scared, don't be, don't be shy to go back to school. This is one of the things that are helping people to be on a good position to accumulate wealth. And the next thing is that you can be an inventor. A lot of things people are producing today to be able to help the people, help the community, help the world. People have invented so many things like Snapchat, Facebook. If you know that you can actually invest some of these things, you can actually save the world by doing all of this and make money as well. These things are helping people. And the next one, the last but not the least, is for you not to be a debtor. A lot of people have crashed today because they are owing everybody. If you want to accumulate money, accumulate wealth, create wealth, you need to get off debt. Don't stay on debt. Even if you're going to owe on debt, make sure that that money you borrowed is for an investment, so that on a return, you can be able to pay back your debt, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get that. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you.